Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Asana to Jira Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Asana to Jira Cloud, start by logging into your Asana account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Apps. In the Apps section, look for the Jira integration option and click on it. You will be prompted to connect to your Jira account. Click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to the Jira login page. Enter your Jira Cloud credentials and click Login. After successfully logging in, you may need to review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once the connection is established, return to your Asana account. Now, you can create a new project or select an existing project where you want to integrate Jira issues. Within the project, click on Customize at the top right of the project window. Scroll down to find the Jira Issues section and click on it to configure settings. You will have options to sync specific fields between Asana and Jira. Select the fields you wish to sync, such as task name, assignee, or due date. Once you have made your selections, click Save to apply the settings. Next, you can start linking tasks in Asana to Jira issues. To do this, open a task in Asana that you want to link to a Jira issue. In the Task Details panel, look for the Jira section and click Link Jira Issue. Here, enter the issue key or search for the Jira issue you want to connect. Once you find the correct issue, select it and confirm the link. Now, your Asana tasks are connected to Jira issues. You can easily track the progress and updates between both platforms. For more advanced options, explore the integration settings in both Asana and Jira. This allows you to modify syncing rules or control how data flows between the two platforms. Periodically check for updates or changes in the integration process to ensure everything works smoothly. With these steps, you have successfully connected Asana to Jira Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.